What is up, Math Music fans? Today we have an epic video for you guys from the Math Easy Studios. Of course we do. It's Math Monday. So today we're going to be dealing with snowmen here in the Math Made Easy area of the world. We were getting a lot of snow. We got some rain today, kind of washed a lot of it away. But in the math world, we can still talk about snow. So without further ado, let's get going. Chiquita and Rhonda are building a snowman. Rhonda tells Chiquita that she is making each of her 3 balls of snow 20% smaller than the one below it. Rhonda starts by making a baseball with a diameter of 20 inches. She reduces the diameter by 20% each time she makes a new ball. What's the diameter of the 3rd ball she makes? Express your answer as a decimal to the nearest tenth. Okay, so this is very simple. We have, imagine we have a little snowman here, and this is 20. This is 20% less than 20, so 80% of 20, which is 16. And then this is 20% less than 16, so 80% is 16, so we can say 0.8 times 16, which is just actually 12.8. But that first start was easy, but this is where it gets a little bit more complicated. So Chiquita planned to do the same thing as Rhonda, but she misunderstood what Rhonda meant when she said 20% smaller. Chiquita made her first ball the same size as Rhonda, but then decreased the volume by 20% for each subsequent ball. How much taller is Chiquita's completed snowman than Rhonda's completed snowman? Express your answer as a decimal to the nearest tenth. Okay, this is difficult, so we are going to get the calculator out for this one. I'm using a TI 84 Plus right now. Okay, so we have the ball that is 20 inches. That's the same on both sides. So I'm going to actually take this away. But then I am going to say we have C and then we have R. So we have 20 here. We have 20 here. So the baseballs are the same. So what we're going to want to see is what is the difference between the heights of the top balls, okay? The top 2 balls, the middle ball and the top ball. So we know this is just 20, 16, and 12.8. But what is it here? Well, remember how we multiplied 20 by 0.8 to make the 16? That's when we're working in 1 dimension. Now we're working in 3 dimensions. So we are going to actually multiply 20 by the cube root of 0.8. And then if that is, once we get how that works, we can then get to the next one. Okay, so what is the cube root of 0.8? Type it into your calculators now. There's not a cube root button on mine, so you just say 0.8 to the 1 over 3 power. And it is 0.92831. You guys should probably be doing this as well. So we got like a 0.92831.7. I'll round it to 8. This is about what we have. Okay? This times 20 is going to be Chiquita's second ball. Which, again, it says round to the nearest tenth. But because of how rounding errors can work, we don't want to do that until the end. So we'll go 18.566, and then we round to 4. 18.5664 is approximately what that second bar will be. Now we just gotta multiply this. We gotta square this, okay? Because 12.8 is to 20 is like 0.64 is what you multiply 20 by to get this, and 0.64 is also 8 squared. In this we're doing the same thing, 0.8 squared. In this we're doing the same thing, but we are using the cube root of 0.8. So we're going to take the cube root of 0.8 squared, or 0.8 raised to the 2/3 power on your calculator. We get something like 0.8617. Okay, that's nice. What do we do from that? Well, we multiply by the 20 again. And we get something looking like 17.2355. Okay? Now, let's add everything up. We have 20 plus 18.5664 plus 17.2355. Then we have that subtracted by, 36. 48.8 is the total height of Rhonda's snowman. Remember, these are the diameters of all the balls, which are going to give us the height. And it's 7.0019. So 7.0019, that would round to, this is the first answer to the first problem, this is the second answer, 7. Great. Okay, Rhonda's little brother Benjamin comes outside and makes a snowman out of cubes of snow instead of balls. Each of his 3 cubes has a side length equal to the diameter of the corresponding ball on Rhonda's snowman. How many more cubic inches of snow did Benjamin use? Okay. And decimal to the nearest tenth again. So here we are going to use our calculators. We are going to use some ratios, I'm seeing. I'm doing this. But first we got to see, of course, the cubic ball, kind of, if that's how you want to say it, is going to be 8,000, because 20 cubed. And in fact, we're going to use the 4/3 pi r cubed, which is the formula for the volume of a sphere given the radius. The radius is not 20, it's 10. Remember, diameter versus radius. That's going to lose you points on nationals, like I did, if you forget that. So, never going to forget that one again, right? Okay. So we have 4/3. Punch this into your calculators, please. Times pi, if I can find the button for it. And then that times 1,000, so we're going to be like 4,188.79. Okay? Okay, so that is the this is Rhonda's, this is Benjamin's, okay? Let's subtract 8,000 minus 4,188.79. This is a really nice but hard problem of the week. I'm really happy that we can all be challenged in this way. We get 3,811.21. Okay? 3811 point, this is where the decimal is, 21. Okay. So then we're going to take this, and we are going to multiply it by, well, what is the kind of the scale factor for this thing? It's 0.8, right? The next ball is going to be 0.8 smaller, but we're not going to multiply it by 0.8, as you might think. We're rather going to multiply it by 0.8 cubed, because we are dealing with volumes. The 0.8 factor is for the diameter, okay? So that's going to be 0.512. Multiply it by 0.512. And we get 1951. Remember, this is the difference. So this plus 1951.34 we're going to round to. And then we get this. Is this still in the frame for you guys? Let me check. No, it's not. Oh my gosh, all of this was not in the frame. There you guys go. Oop, now I'm dropping the camera. So, there you go. And 1951.34. We're going to do that one more time. We're going to multiply that. Well, we got to square it, so we're going to so what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this number on my calculator, because I already have it up conveniently, by another 0.512, and we get 999. .09. Okay? So add all of these together and we will get the total difference in cubic inches of the snow that they used. So drum roll please, everybody punch this into your calculators. $51.34 is on to the nearest tenth. What I'm getting is 676.1.6 to the nearest tenth. There we go. Thank you for watching, Math Easy fans.